In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account. So to do this, first just go and open up the Kraken app or website and first head over to your portfolio. Now if you're using the mobile app, from there you want to click on transfer in the bottom and then on withdraw. If you're using the website, you will just see withdraw right here, so go and click on withdraw. And then you need to have the money in cash in order to withdraw it to your bank account. So if it's currently still in Bitcoin, for example, just gonna sell that Bitcoin for cash. Now from there, select your cash currency, which for me will be Euro, and then select a funding provider. Now this may differ depending on your country. I'm from the Netherlands, so I have these two options. I'm just going to select SEPA and SEPA Instant, which is to my bank account, but just select any of the options that are for your bank account. And from there you can then see this, so you can choose how much you want to withdraw, and where it says to, you can connect your bank account. So currently you can see right here it's connected to my Revolut. If I click change, I can click add new bank account and then enter my IBAN and a nickname for it in order to connect this bank account. After connecting a bank account, you can then select it from the list and then from there click review, then confirm, and then the money will be transferred to your bank account. So that's all you need to do to transfer money from Kraken to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.